Hi guys, welcome to Physics Clinic today. So today we are still in SS1 first term syllabus, and today's topic we are going to be talking about motion. So what are we going to be? The course outline for today is we are going to talk about motion, types of motion, concept of relative motion, force, and what type of what force. So let's start with what we have today: motion. Motion. What is motion? First of all, this concept of motion was first of all developed by Galileo. He was an Italian scientist, and he was the one that first studied the systematic study. He was first to study systematically motion. So the science of motion is actually called what? Kinematics, and Isaac Newton also worked on this subject matter, motion. Now kinematics, what kinematics means is kinematics describe how objects moves without regarding the forces causing their motion, while dynamics studies the forces that make them to move. So now what is motion? Motion is what? The change. There is a change in the position of a body with time with respect to what? A reference point. So when we say a body has moved, what it means is that, for example, we have a body this way. Now changing the position, what has happened? Motion has what? Occur. Now, so we are trying to study how the body moves and what make them to do so. Now, some examples of motion: we have the motion of the earth, that is the movement of the earth around the sun. We have the rotation of the earth about its axis. We have an aeroplane flying in the sky. So those are a boy walking or running. So let's go to the next one, which is what? Types of what? Motion. Basically, we have four types of motion, and those four types of motion are what? The random motion. We have translational or rectilinear or linear motion. We have rotational or rotary motion, and we have what? Oscillatory motion. So these are the four types of motion we have. So what is random motion? Like the name goes, random. So random is what? A type of motion whereby the body moves in what? A disordered manner. That is to say, the direction of the body is not definite. So the body is moving anyhow. So example of such kind of motion, we have the movement of what? Gases. Movement of gas molecule. We have movement of a flying butterfly. We have movement of a floating feather. We have movement of dust particles, movement of smoke particles, etc. So these are examples of what? Random motion. So you can see the picture there. So this is how gases move. So they move in what? Random direction, different direction. So let's go to the next one. So the next one is what? Translational or linear motion. So translational motion, like the way in translational, linear means in a line, is a motion of a body in what? A straight line. So the difference between random and translational: random does not have a specified direction, while translational have a specified direction. So in this case, the body has a definite direction. So examples of translational motion include what? Movement of a car from one point to another. We have movement of people, the way people move. We have movement of objects from one point to another. So these are the examples of what? Translational motion. Somebody pushing a box, so the box is going to move in a definite direction. The motion of a car is what? Translational motion. So let's go to the next one, which is rotational. So rotational motion is a type of motion in which a body rotates about an axis. So that's to say there is what? A rotation. So something is going in what? A circle. So let's go. Example, we have rotation of electric fan blades. We have movement of car wheels, rotation of the earth, the movement of car about roundabout. So this is what? The movement of the earth about an axis, movement of the moon about the earth. So we have the movement of a car about a roundabout is an example of rotational motion. We have the wheels of a what? Of a car. So these are all examples of what rotational what motion. So the last type of motion is what oscillatory motion. Oscillatory motion is a type of motion in which a body goes to and fro, that is back and front, about what a fixed point when it is slightly what displaced. So example is the simple pendulum. So simple pendulum move forward, backward, forward, backward. So the next one is what vibration of a pure guitar string. We have the next one, load on a vertical spring, like the springboard. When you go to the swimming pool, that springboard here is what the motion it undergoes is what oscillatory motion. We have a punch bag. You go to the gym, the punch bag, when you are eating it, it goes back and forth. So that is an example of what oscillatory motion. So you can see the various. So this is a workout chair. So it goes, when you sit on this chair, it goes back and forth. And this is the swing for the children that they use for the nursery schools, nursery and primary schools. So these are examples of what the oscillatory motion. So let's go from let's know this. It is possible for a body to perform two types of motion at the same time. For example, when you kick a football, the motion that a football undergoes is two. The first one is that the football is rolling, that is what rotational motion, and as the football is rotating, is moving forward, that is what translational motion. Also for a car, as the wheel of the car is rotating, so that is rotational motion, and it's also moving forward. So it's possible for a body to perform two types of motion at the same time. So let's go to concept of relative motion. Now when you look at the word relative motion, we have talked about motion as a body changing position. Now what is the meaning of relative motion? Relative means like something related, things that are related. So what is the meaning of relative motion? Relative motion is the movement of an object in relation to another object. So what it means is that how does a body A observe another body B moving? By the time you are sitting in a car, you notice that if you are traveling, you notice that the trees are moving in the opposite direction. The faster your car, the faster they move in the opposite direction. This is relative motion. But in actual sense, the trees, they don't move. But based on your eyes, based on you, the observer, seeing them, you observe them moving. So that is what the concept of relative motion. Now sitting down in the car traveling at 100 km/h, the person in the car is also traveling at that speed with respect to the ground. Okay, now let's look at this. Look at this diagram here. We have three cars here, three vehicles. We have A, B, C. A is moving towards the left, towards the right with 70 meters per second. B is moving towards the right, towards the left rather, with 50 meters per second, while C is moving towards the right with 100 meters per second. Now these three people, if you are seated in A, looking at yourself in A, it's as though you are not moving. But by the time you observe C that is moving in the same direction, you see that C is moving slightly ahead of you. Why? Because the velocity, the speed of C is higher than yours. So somebody in A will see C moving at 100 minus 70, that is 30 in that same direction. Now the person, an observer in A, will see somebody in B moving in the opposite direction, but you observe that the car in the opposite direction move faster, because what you will observe is going to be the addition of the two speed, that is 50 plus 70, which is 120. So the person in A, we see the person in B moving towards 120 meters per second in the opposite direction. Same also, the person in B, we see the person in A moving with 120 meters per second in the opposite direction. But the person in C observing A, we see that A is moving backward with 30 meters per second, because it will look as if this car, even though it's driving forward, is driving backward. So that is the concept of relative motion. Now let's go to forces. What is a force? Sometimes we have this word force is commonly used. I was forced to do this, I was classed, But in physics, what do we mean by what? Force. So the word force is, as we have said, is everyday. Is a word we use every day. So but what do we mean by force in physics? So we say that force is an agent that changes or tends to change the state of rest or uniform motion of a body. So that's to say, force is anything that have the ability to change the state in which a body is. If a body is at rest, we want it to start moving, we apply force. If a body is moving, we want it to stop moving, we also apply force. So force is that thing that have the ability to cause a change in the motion of a body. So force is a vector quantity, means that that's magnitude and what? Direction. And the SI unit of force is named after the great Sir Isaac Newton, that is Newton. So we should notice that for there to be any motion, there must be a word force. So force can cause a body to rest, a body at rest to move, a body to accelerate, that is increase its speed, change its direction, move in a curved path, stop the motion, etc. Okay, let's go to type of force. How many types of force do we have? We have two types of force, and those forces are what we call contact force and what? The force field. Now look at the word contact force. It means that they have to be a contact, while force field is like a field. Now what is contact force? Contact force is what? A force that exists between two bodies, by the virtue of their words contact. That is to say, before that force can impact a body, that force have to be in contact with that body. So example of that force is pull. I want to pull something. Pull means drawing something closer to myself. For me to draw that object closer to myself, I have to touch that object directly or indirectly. So the next one is what? Push. The next one is what? Normal reaction. We have the next one, which is tension in the string, and we have what? Frictional what? Forces. So these are examples of what? Contact what? Forces. So you can see the picture or representation of it. So let's go to force field. So what are force fields? Force fields are those forces that affect a body from a distance without making contact with that body. Example of that force field is what? Like the gravitational field. We have the word magnetic field, that is magnetic force field. We have electrostatic force field, and we have electromagnetic and the nuclear force. So these are what? Examples of what? Force field. So thank you very much. So in this class we have been able to understand motion, the types of motion. We have talked about the concept of what? Relative motion. We've talked about what forces are, and we have also talked about the various types of forces. So thank you very much for listening to this lecture. So see you in lesson 5. Bye bye.